How can I make a phone application? To make a phone application, app, you will need to define your app's purpose and target audience. The first step in creating a phone app is to define its purpose and target audience. This will help you to determine the features and functionality that your app will need to have, and will also guide your marketing efforts. Choose a development platform. There are many different platforms available for developing phone apps, including iOS, Android, and Windows. You will need to choose a platform that is appropriate for your app and target audience. Design your app. Once you have a clear idea of what your app will do and who it is for, you can begin designing it. This will involve creating a user interface, UI, and user experience, UX, that are intuitive and easy to use. Build your app. After you have designed your app, you will need to build it using a programming language such as Java or Swift. This will involve writing code to implement the features and functionality that you have planned for your app. Test your app. Before you release your app to the public, it's important to test it thoroughly to ensure that it is functioning correctly and is free of bugs. You can use tools such as emulators and test devices to test your app in different environments. Publish your app. Once your app is ready for release, you will need to publish it on a platform such as the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. This will involve creating a listing for your app and uploading it to the platform. Creating a phone app can be a complex process, and it may be helpful to seek out resources such as tutorials, online courses, or professional development services to help you through the process. It's also a good idea to do market research and assess the competition to ensure that your app stands out in the marketplace. Is there any program I can use to build a phone app if I don't have coding skills? Yes, there are several programs that you can use to build a phone app without having coding skills. These programs, known as no-code or low-code platforms, provide pre-built templates and drag-and-drop tools that allow you to create an app by assembling pre-made building blocks. Here are a few examples of no-code platforms that you can use to build a phone app. AppyPie. AppyPie is a no-code platform that allows you to create an app by dragging and dropping pre-made elements such as text, images, and buttons. It is suitable for creating simple apps and offers a range of templates and customization options. Upsheet. Upsheet is a no-code platform that allows you to create an app by connecting to a data source such as a spreadsheet or database. It is suitable for creating apps that need to display and update data in real time, and offers a range of customization options. Buildfire. Buildfire is a no-code platform that allows you to create an app by dragging and dropping pre-made elements and connecting to various services in Apis. It is suitable for creating a wide range of app types and offers a range of customization options. It's important to note that while no-code platforms can be a good way to get started with app development, they may have limitations in terms of the complexity and customization of the apps that you can create. If you have more advanced needs or want to create a highly customized app, you may need to learn a programming language and build your app using traditional development methods. How much would it cost to pay a coder to build a phone app for me? The cost of hiring a coder to build a phone app for you will depend on a variety of factors, including the complexity of the app, the duration of the project, and the coder's experience and skills. In general, the cost of hiring a coder to build a phone app can range from a few $1,000s for a simple app to tens of thousands of dollars for a more complex app. It's important to note that the cost of app development can vary greatly, and it can be difficult to provide a precise estimate without more information about the specific app that you are looking to build. It's a good idea to get quotes from multiple coders and to carefully review their portfolios and experience before making a decision. It's also a good idea to create a detailed project plan and budget to help you to manage costs and ensure that your project stays on track.